Have you ever wondered how to get your hands on a Commbank credit card? It's a great way to manage your finances and enjoy the perks that come with it. But where do you even start? Imagine being able to shop online, travel the world, or even start a small business without worrying about upfront costs. That's the power of a credit card. But how do you get one, especially from a reputable bank like Commbank? In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for a Commbank credit card. We'll cover everything from eligibility criteria to the application itself. So, whether you're a first-time credit card user or looking to switch banks, you've come to the right place. Understanding Commbank credit cards. Before we dive into the application process, let's take a moment to understand what Commbank credit cards are all about. These cards offer a range of benefits, including cashback, earn rewards on your purchases, travel points, redeem points for flights, hotels, and more. Low interest rates, enjoy affordable financing options. Insurance coverage, protect yourself against unexpected events. Commbank offers a variety of credit cards to suit different lifestyles and needs. From basic cards for everyday spending to premium cards with exclusive perks, there's something for everyone. Eligibility criteria. To apply for a Commbank credit card, you'll need to meet certain eligibility criteria. These typically include age, be over 18 years old. Residency, be an Australian resident. Income, have a regular income source. Credit history, have a positive credit history. This can be assessed through a credit check. While these are general requirements, specific eligibility criteria may vary depending on the card you're applying for. It's always a good idea to check Commbank's website or contact their customer service for more information. Gathering necessary documents. Before you start the application process, it's essential to have the following documents ready: proof of identity, driver's license, passport, or birth certificate. Proof of address, utility bill, bank statement, or rental agreement. Income verification, payslips, tax returns, or bank statements. Having these documents handy will streamline the application process and help you avoid delays. Applying online. The easiest way to apply for a Commbank credit card is online. Simply visit Commbank's website and navigate to the credit cards section. You'll find a link to apply for a card. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide the required information. Providing personal details. The application form will ask for your personal details, including your name, address, contact information, and employment details. Be sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Choosing a card. Commbank offers a range of credit cards, each with its own benefits and features. Carefully consider your needs and preferences to choose the card that best suits you. Factors to consider include the annual fee, interest rate, rewards program, and any additional perks or benefits. Financial information. The application will also ask for your financial information, such as your income, expenses, and existing debts. This information helps Commbank assess your creditworthiness. Credit check. As part of the application process, Commbank will conduct a credit check. This involves reviewing your credit history to assess your creditworthiness. A positive credit history can increase your chances of approval. Decision and approval. After submitting your application, Commbank will review it and make a decision. The approval process can take a few days. If your application is approved, you'll receive a notification and your new credit card will be sent to you by mail. Activating your card. Once you receive your credit card, you'll need to activate it. This can usually be done online or by calling Commbank's customer service. Follow the instructions provided to activate your card. Tips for successful application. Here are some tips to increase your chances of a successful credit card application. Check your credit report. Ensure there are no errors or negative items on your credit report. Pay bills on time. A good payment history can improve your credit score. Limit debt. Keep your debt-to-income ratio low. Be honest. provide accurate information on your application. Asterisk, consider a secured card. If you have a limited credit history, a secured card can help build your credit. Applying for a Commbank credit card is a straightforward process that can provide you with numerous benefits. By understanding the eligibility criteria, gathering the necessary documents, and following the online application process, you can increase your chances of approval. Remember, choosing the right credit card is essential. Consider your needs, preferences, and financial situation to select a card that aligns with your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.